Hi everyone, this is your math guru. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the area between two curves using our knowledge of integration. The diagram shows the curve y equals 4 minus x squared and the line y equals x plus 2. Find the coordinates of the points of intersection of the curve and the line, and 2. Use the integration to find the area of the shaded region bounded by the line and the curve. Please don't forget to click on the like and subscribe button below for more easy to understand math concept. We've been given the equation of two lines, one line and a curve. The straight line, the standard equation of a straight line, we know that is y equals ax plus q. In some textbooks, they use y equals mx plus c, where your q is the y-intercept, and then the A determines the shape of your graph. So in the question that has been given us, y equals x plus 2, I'm going to write that beside the line. So this is the line y equals x plus 2. And for the curve, which is a parabola, that's the standard equation is y equals ax squared plus q, and that has been given as y equals 4 minus x squared. My q in this case is 4, and then my a is minus 1 or negative 1. So I'm going to write that beside the curve. I have the curve as y equals 4 minus x squared. The first part of the question says we should find the coordinates or the x coordinates of the point of intersection of the curve and the line. At the point of intersection, the coordinates of the two graphs are the same. So we have the two graphs sharing the same coordinates, x and y, at the points highlighted. So what that means is the equation of the two lines are the same at that point. So at the point of intersection, the two equations, I have 4 minus x squared is equal to x plus 2. So I'm going to solve that using a trinomial, moving all the terms to one side. I have x squared minus 4 plus x plus 2 is equal to 0. And if I simplify further, I have x squared plus x minus 2 equals to 0. If I factorize, I have x plus 2 and x minus 1 equals to 0. So therefore, x plus 2 equals to 0, or x minus 1 equals to 0. So the value of our x is x equals to negative 2, or x equals to positive 1. If you look at the graph given, because I have the first point or point of intersection on the positive x-axis, so the value of x at that point will be, I'm going to write that in a bracket, positive 1, and then we have a y value, and then on the other side we have a negative x, so that's negative 2, and then y on that line, because it's on the x-axis, will be 0. For the second part of the question, we have to use integration to find the area of the shaded region bounded by the line and the curve. We're going to use our integration. And because they are both intersecting at the x coordinates of negative 2 and 1, to find the area, our area A will be equal to the integral of the boundary is from negative 2 to 1. Those are the values of x where they're intersecting. Then we have a top curve minus the bottom curve with respect to x. The top curve is our parabola. The bottom curve is a straight line. So therefore, we have that as from negative 2, that's a boundary, the integral of, we have the top, I'm going to put that in the bracket, That's 4 minus x squared, close bracket, minus the bottom curve. This is a straight line. I'm going to put that in the bracket. I have that at x plus 2, close bracket, with respect to x. So therefore, I'm going to tidy up what I have in the bracket. Put a boundary from -2 to 1 in bracket. I'm going to have that as 4 minus x squared, opening up the bracket, minus x minus 2 with respect to x. We have integral of minus x squared. I'm going to arrange in ascending powers of x. So I start with my 4 minus 2, that's 2 minus x squared with respect to x. And if I integrate that, I'm going to have 2, that will be 2x, minus x squared over 2. If you want to learn how to integrate, check the videos below in the comment section for how to integrate. And then I have minus x3 over 3. Don't forget to put your boundary from minus 2 or -2 to 1. So therefore, I'm going to start with the upper boundary, that's 1. So putting in the values of 1, I have 2 times 1 minus 1 squared over 2 minus 1 cube over 3 minus the lower boundary, that's -2. So I have 2 times -2 minus -2 squared. Every occurrence of x, I replace it with -2. Then I have -2 all cube over 3, close bracket. I'm going to have that as, on my left hand side, if I resolve that, I have 7 over 6. You can punch that in your calculator or work it out manually. Minus into bracket. On the second bracket, I'm going to have -10 over 3. That will give us 7 over 6 plus 10 over 3. And if I solve that, that's equal to 27 over 6, and a mixed from, that's 4 whole number, 1 over 2 units square. Thanks for watching. Bye.